Hi everyone, so I am back and today I've had my Glossybox delivered. I'm so excited. I haven't looked, I haven't peeked, so I have no idea what's in this. The last month's box I really enjoyed. I used literally everything in there. I love that box, and I'll put up in the iCards the link to that video. So yeah, so let's have a look. So this month it is back to the normal pink boxes, which I am used to. As I mentioned in my last video, that was like a special edition box, and that was my first box from having a break from like not doing them after having my daughter. So this is the second one since obviously I've been subscribed again. So let's have a look. So that's how they come. So let's have a look. So I've got the little card here. So looks very Vogue. So it's got the little bits and bobs inside, and then it's got a sneak peek on the back. So I will put the sneak peek towards the end of the video, and I'll give you a warning when I'm about to obviously go and tell you. Let's have a look. Wow, this box is full. Wow, like, see, that is full. So first thing I see when I pull out, now the sneak peek from last month was you could either get a highlighter palette or a contour palette, which I don't do either, so but I would have preferred the highlighter, but I've got the contour palette. So this is the Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit. So these are the, I don't know if you can see, these are the colours that you get in there. I'm not going to swatch them because I don't, yeah. The mirror's nice on it though, it's an actual mirror. I do like when they put actual mirrors in the products. So let's have a look at that, see what we've got. So the Barium, where are you? So the RRP for this is $7.99, and you can get that from barium.com. So I'm just kind of looking down at the, I'll put it there and I can read it then. Never prepared, never prepared. I get too giddy as soon as the postman's been, I'm like, I need to film. So yeah, so that's the first item we've got, is the contour palette. So the next thing I have is this, which is Shake and Shoe Rubber Hydro Mask. Oh, so it is, so it's a face mask. So this is let's have a look, let's shake, I still got to grab it. So you could have got one of two, but what's the difference? So you could have the hydro mask or the firming mask, and I've got the hydro mask, which I'm quite glad about because my skin could use a bit more hydration. So yeah, so the RRP for these are £8, and you can get these on ASOS.com. I'll not read the little blurby bit because I just can't seem to find my words today, and I'd just be stuttering everywhere, so I'll leave that one. Next thing we've got is MUDMASKY Aftermask Vitamin Serum. Oh, so this is an Aftermask product. Aftermask Vitamin Serum, £43, and this is full size. And this is from mudmasky.com/shop. Wow. This serum is a forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend. The first skincare product in the world specifically designed to use after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense day. Charcoal, sheet or peel-off mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer of this onto your face after removing your mask, and you'll have soft and smooth skin. Whoa, that alone is £43. Wow, like, I'm impressed. I don't know, yeah, it's got a seal on it. I've got to say, I want to see if it smells of anything, but I'll save that for after I do my hydro mask. So we have next, we have good old Beauty Kitchen Natural Line Petroleum Natural Lip Treatment. So it's just a tub of that petroleum jelly. And that's a full size, and the RRP for this is £2.99. And you can get this from beautykitchen.co.uk. So it's just a lip balm, really. But yeah, everyone needs a bit of lip balm, especially since the weather doesn't know what it wants to do in the UK. At the minute, it's absolutely chucking it down, and we're in May. I'd have thought we'd have been starting to get like gearing up to summer, but clearly that's not what the weather wants to do. So the final product I have in this is a nail berry. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus. It is a nail berry Love Me Tender nail polish. I'm guessing the Love Me Tender is the actual colour. And the RRP on that is £14.50 on nailberry.co.uk. It's like a salmony blush sort of pink. The consistency looks very, very watery. It's not really my sort of colour. I mean, yeah, I'm into the darker side. So yeah, I don't think this blushy sort of colour is gonna suit me. Yeah, I may like gift that later. But yeah, cool little box. So that's how it looks in the little pamphlet leaflet that they give you. So everything in the box is full size. There's not one of them that is a travel size or a mini or, you know, a sample. They are all full size products in this box this month, which I'm super impressed at. Now it's time for the sneak peek. So if you don't want to know, look away now. Just look away. So, sneak peek for June. In June, we are inviting you to try Advanced Silky and Lightweight Primer worth £85. It improves the texture of your skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also hydrates and mattifies your complexion, helping your makeup to look smoother and last longer. It's the perfect way to prep for a special occasion. So that is what it's going to look like. Are you going to focus? Are you going to focus? No, you don't. So that's what it's going to look like anyway. So that looks like it's going to be a pretty cool one to test. I have received as well a primer that I got as a freebie from a purchase that I did through Birchbox. So I need to try that one as well and see what that one's like, because that one's meant to be a good one. But yeah, really, really cool box. I'm quite impressed with bits I got. So just to go over everything. So we got the I got the contour palette, I got the mask, I got the serum for the after mask, I got the nail polish, and I got the lip balm. So yeah, so all my little goodies there. I didn't realise that were on there. Yeah. This could be fun, this rubber mask. If anybody would like to see me try the rubber mask on, please leave a comment down below, and I will upload a video of me trying on the mask. And then yeah. But please, if you do like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.